Hi everyone, it's your boy Kevin here from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Now today's video is going to be specifically for those members of the Algorand community. Now just like any other day, I opened my Algo wallet to send a transaction to a friend of mine. But then I saw in the top right hand corner this little banner that says NFDs are available. And I was like, what are NFDs? Then I looked down and saw get your .algo domain. So then it finally clicked to me, wow, Algorand now has their own native domain name service. Now if you've been in the crypto space for some time, non-fungible domains are not anything new, especially if you are in the Ethereum ecosystem. You would have had ENS domains for years now. Those will be those .eth domains that you see on Twitter. In the Cardano space, you have ADA handles, which is relatively new. You can go and purchase your Cardano domain name, and it works with most of the native Cardano wallets that are out there right now. And finally, if you want a general purpose domain name platform, I recommend Unstoppable Domains, because domains bought using this service can be used with multiple wallets as well as on different blockchains. But we're not here for that. We are here for our .algo domains, and it's always good when a blockchain has its own native domain name service, because it is more than likely that it will be integrated with all of the Algorand wallets in the future. So specifically, let's head back over to my Algo wallet and click on this link. Now this should be the name of the website, app.nfdomains. Now the first thing you'll want to do is connect your wallet. This website supports Algo Signer, My Algo, and the recently renamed Pera wallet. Of course, I'm going to select My Algo. I'm going to sign in. And click connect. And I'm going to select all of the wallets that I want to use with this service. In this case, I'm going to select all for now. And I can easily toggle through the different wallets as I see fit. Now you may want to take the quick tour of this website. Now since I already got past step 1, let's click on next, and this is where you would go to mint your NFD. You can use the search bar above to search for any name that is available, and if you see one that you like, you can go and purchase it for a particular amount of algo. Now that amount fluctuates depending on the price of algo and depending on the popularity of the name and how much characters are in the name. Next, you have the marketplace. You can see and browse the entire NFD marketplace. You can filter by name, price range, letter length, and more. And the default view is to show the NFDs that are for sale, but you can obviously use filters to hone in on specific NFDs that you want. The analytics is where you can track the marketplace activity and see the highest all-time sales on the leaderboard and the global sales data on this platform in general. Now, given that this platform is new, I suspect this particular tab will be updated further in the future, but let's see what else they have to offer. You can manage your NFDs, so in other words, you can set the NFT deposit address, you can update the stored metadata on the platform, the social media accounts, the view, sent and received offers, you can list it for sale, and so much more. So this is probably the most important tab after you purchase your NFD. Again, we have the search bar up top, you have some resources, tutorial videos, etc. And finally, you can check out this platform's social media accounts. You can follow them on Twitter or join them on Discord in case you have any questions or queries. So now that that is out of the way, let me go and look for a particular NFT that I want for my wallet. And of course, since I'm interested on bringing gaming to Algorand and having my own gaming platform, I'm going to search for the title Arcade. See if that is available. So there's algoarcade.algo. But when you click on it, of course, someone has already sniped that domain name already on June 5th. And as you would suspect, for those persons that found this website early, all of these names are being purchased very quickly. So I recommend that if you have a domain that you like, go and get it as soon as possible. All of these are domains that have been bought and sold on the marketplace thus far. So let me try a different one. In this case, I'm going to type in arcade games, and let's see what comes up. It says no matches found. I can mint. One warning it does have here is that this service doesn't work with the ledger, so please bear that in mind. You have to have a standalone account on my Algo wallet or Algo signer, etc., but not a hardware wallet account. So bear that in mind. Now the average cost of these domains seems to be about 50 Algo. So I'm going to go ahead and click buy now. Of course, I have to sign a transaction. It's going to take a little while to mint. I click on claim my NFD. Have to send another transaction. A few more seconds and then it's going to say success. So now the NFT has been minted. There are a few things I want to show you. In the About tab, you have some general information like the mint date, the asset ID, etc. In the gallery, it will display all the NFTs that are associated with my wallet. In this case, I only have about 3 other NFTs. The actual domain name itself, this Forum Astro, another NFT that I would have bought from AB2 Gallery. Sales, of course, the only thing it's going to show is the purchase of the NFT right now. If I do make any more sales, all that information will go in here. Offers, if anyone wants to place an offer, then I will see all the available offers in this tab. And history, this shows the transactions as it pertains to this platform. Now I'm going to copy my NFT address by clicking here, head back over to my Algo wallet and try to send a transaction to this wallet address. So here I have a different wallet. I'm going to click on send. I'm going to enter the address and note the warning it says. It says this NFD has no associated address. So right away, it's giving me a warning that this wallet has not been tied to any Algorand account as yet. So to fix that, you have to go back over here and click on edit, the most important button for this platform. Here, I can set a deposit address to one of my wallets. It doesn't have to be the same wallet that I minted with, but any wallet that I own, I can set as the address to receive funds for this domain name. So in this case, I'm going to select the same games wallet and click on update. Sign, and again, send this transaction. Click on confirm. And now that that is complete, I have some other things that I can do now with this particular domain name. I can link other accounts or other addresses if I want to. This is only for the purposes of looking up information on the Blockchain Explorer. If I own a business and my business has multiple accounts and I want to be transparent, I can opt to do that. But right now, for most persons, they may just want to have their deposit address as their only linked address. If I scroll back up, there's a metadata section. In this section, I can upload a profile picture if I want for this particular domain name. I can even select an NFT from my wallet or something from my computer. I can write a bio. I can add personal information such as name, email address, social media handles, etc. But bear in mind, whatever you put on this platform is searchable. So in terms of privacy, if you are a person who advocates for privacy, I would recommend that you leave those blank for now. Another interesting thing you can do with your domain name is that your domain name can redirect to a particular website. So let's say you had a website that was mywebsite.com as an example. If persons typed in arcadegames.algo.xyz, it would carry them to that website. So in other words, your domain handle could be a URL redirect to your own business, which is quite cool. Or you can redirect them to your NFT gallery. Now, if you want to embed your website's data directly inside the NFT, you can do so as well. This way, when people look at the NFT on Block Explorer, your website's name will be directly in the Block Explorer, your GitHub, etc. Now, last but not least, you have something called unverified addresses. Let's say you own a business and you have addresses that are associated with your business that you do not own the keys to. You can still embed those addresses in your NFT domain. For example, these could be addresses to a liquidity pool or a smart contract or something that you don't have the signing rights to but is associated to you. You can still let persons know that these are your verified addresses, or these are addresses that are okay to use on your platform. So this is for persons like NFT artists that have multiple accounts and they just want to show persons throughout the space that these are my accounts that I use for my various projects. You can do that as well too. So you can have unverified addresses that do not have any signing rights but are still tied to your NFT. And last but not least, you have custom fields. If you want to put in things like birthday, your age, or whatever, up to you. All of this metadata is stored within the NFD, so just bear in mind, for privacy's sake, only put what you want people to see online. But anyway, I'm going to leave these changes here for now, revert form, and let's head over to the analytics tab to see what they have. Okay, so they have sales history. You can see all the different people that have been purchasing these NFDs in the last couple of minutes, seconds, etc. You have a leaderboard, so in other words, persons that have bought and sold the most NFDs or for the highest prices, they are part of this leaderboard. Oh, PayPal.algo, GameStop.algo. I would have loved to have gotten this one, but I'm not willing to pay this amount at this moment. But congratulations to whoever has Kev.algo. Big up. Alright, so that's basically it for this platform. But there are a few other things that I can show, such as how to sell your NFD on this site. Now, in order to do that, you have to head back over to the Manage tab, click on your NFD, and go to List for Sale. Here you can enter in the amount that you want to sell it for. And here's where you can enter a specific address if you want to reserve it for a particular person and you have their Algorand address. You can have that set as a reserve so only that person can buy it. You scroll down, you click List for Sale, and of course you have to remember that when you list this NFD, all of the metadata you entered for it is going to be cleared. But click Yes, List for Sale, and of course you have to sign this transaction. Now, I don't really want to sell my NFD, so I'm going to just cancel this for now, but I'm just showing you how you would do it. Now, to buy an NFD on the open marketplace, you have to go and click on the marketplace tab, and of course you can search visually or you can filter text for the particular NFD that you want to find. If you see one that you like, let's say tango.algo, you click on it, you click buy now, and of course your wallet has to have the correct amount of balance before it even opens up for you to make the transaction. You can also copy the link or share it on Twitter if it is yours and you're looking to sell it and you want to give it some kind of online exposure. But that's basically this platform in a nutshell. I do hope you enjoyed the video. I am liking the improvements that I'm seeing in the Algorand ecosystem, and non-fungible domains is a step in the right direction. Now, if you enjoyed this video and you felt that you learned something from it, remember to give it a like and you can comment below. You can also share this video with the other members of the Algorand community. Now, if you want to help support my channel, here are my active NFD addresses. You can feel free to send me some algo to help support more videos like this. This is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips. Thank you for watching.